Hi guys, and welcome to Clinton Tech Tips. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows security section from Windows 11 not working or being unavailable. This is a very common issue that was reported by many users in the Windows 11. A lot of users had this issue where they couldn't even find the Windows security section. It was only a blank window that didn't show anything. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix that and have access to the Windows security section again, because I think it's really useful. From my point of view, I don't even use any other antivirus software besides Windows Defender. So I think Windows Defender is pretty good and can be really useful. Let's see how we can solve this issue. Alright, so all you have to do is to open up your PowerShell. You go to your search and then you type PowerShell. I have mine here. You have to right click and make sure you run it as an administrator. So now we have the PowerShell just right here. So once you're in your PowerShell, all you have to do is to paste this command. I'm going to put the command in the description box just down below. Okay, so now we have done that, and you won't even notice anything. As you can see from here, this command is just run, and all you have to do is to go back on your Windows Defender from this icon, the taskbar icon. You can go back on your Windows Defender and you can click it, and you will notice that no, cancel that thing. All right, guys. So now we have run the command, and what you have to do is to just restart your system. If you are having this issue, you have to go ahead and restart the system. And once you sign in again, all right, guys. Once you're done restarting your system, all you have to do is to go to your search, and then you should search Windows Security. On your Windows Security, you go into your Windows Security, and you can find out that it's working fine. So that's just everything about this, guys. Basically what happened here is that the security section will reinstall it for you if it's not available. So that's pretty everything. So this is a quick video. I'm hoping it was useful. The command used in this video is just down below in the section, in the description box. So don't forget to get it from there. So leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and also click the bell notification to be notified when we post another video. I am Clinton from Clinton Tech Tips. Until next time, have a nice day.